everybody, thanks for getting in touch regarding the last video. We've had a lot of people get back to us and say, although they don't find adjustments here painful, they know a friend or a family member that has had a painful adjustment before. So we're going to clear up why we don't get that response here at 5 Doc Osteo and Chiro.
That's correct, Lewis. So the main reason is we do the prep work properly first. So think of it like a painter, right? If a painter comes to paint your house, you don't want them just to go and throw a coat of paint over what's already there. You want them to get in, do the sanding, do all the work that needs to be done so your coat of paint looks good. That's how we approach treatment. We go through, we don't just dive in and do adjustments. We'll do massage, we might do some traction, some stretching, mobilization first before we go and do adjustments, because there's a lot of factors that go into making sure an adjustment doesn't hurt, such as making sure there is some mobility, you're warming up the area first, you're getting some movement into the area, especially if it hasn't moved for a long period of time. So you want to factor in the type of injury that's there, you want to factor in how long the injury's been there, and then look at how you can approach that. So you can approach it from a distance, you can approach it by just not doing adjustments for the first few treatments until you get some mobility going first, then you can bring in adjustments. But we find taking that approach, it takes the pain out of adjustments, and people are always finding that they're getting the benefits, they're getting the stretch, but without the discomfort.
So if you're looking for painless adjustments and have pain, come in and see us today at 5 Doc Osteo and Chiro, and we'll take care of you.